This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cindy Edwards. Spectacular, modern townhome-style condo in the heart of Kitty Hawk. Drive into your garage and step into this beautiful open floor plan that has been renovated to enjoy a maintenance-free lifestyle. The living room boasts 18-feet ceilings with windows galore, making this such a bright and airy room that opens into dining and a large kitchen with bar seating. Half bath, laundry and the primary suite with a custom tile shower and walk-in closet are on the first level. You can fully live on one level, but the upstairs features a loft, 2 additional bedrooms, a bath, linen closet and a large finished bonus room over the garage and additional attic storage. Relax on your back patio and also enjoy your own flower garden with mature knockout roses, rhododendron and lilies. The community keeps the lawn green and lush, and you are only a short walk to the community pool and pool house. The Gables units rarely become available, and this is a special one. Short drive to 2 beach accesses, walk to 2 restaurants, close to shopping and so much more. Recent renovations include new luxury vinyl flooring and carpet, renovated master bath with custom tile shower, new comfort height toilets, tiled corner fireplace with new electric fireplace unit and TV. All new light fixtures, ceiling fans, custom blinds, light switches, doorknobs and even hinges replaced. Smile for more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Edwards at 252-256-0520.